Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to connect Spotify to the Discord account. So the process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application and you have to log into your account. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the profile icon on the right bottom. Once you will do it, here you will see different options, so you have to click on the connection, and once you will do it, on the right top you will see add button, so click on it. Once you will click on it, now you will see different applications. Simply select Spotify from here. Once you will do it, it will connect go to the browser. Now simply you have to log in here on your Spotify and it will connect with your Discord. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.